Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson is in East Lyme with more on how people are trying to stop the spread.
East Lyme is one of 11 cities and towns across the state that is in the red zone for COVID cases. Flanders Fish Market and Restaurant here in East Lyme is making some major changes because of that.
We wanted to make sure that, we need to be safe, and we know that there's a bit of an uptick. We're not quite sure why that is, why it's in East Lyme.
Owner of Flanders Fish Market, Paul FORMICA, may not know the answer to that question, but he's not taking any chances. After a part-time employee who was last in the building on October 3rd tested positive for COVID earlier this week, the restaurant shut down for 4 days.
We came in and had the entire building disinfected by a company who specializes in that, and we wanted to make sure that our staff were all tested.
And now that there's a surge in cases, the restaurant is going a step further, installing an air purification system.
We have them operational in each room, so we're offering that extra level of safety for all of our customers, our staff, and our vendors.
Precautions FORMICA deemed necessary as East Lyme struggles with a spike in COVID cases. Several other southeastern towns like Montville, Preston, Norwich, Griswold, and New London are also on high alert. Governor Lamont recently suggested towns in the red alert level stay in phase 2. In New London, they're moving forward.
The data points to small family and social gatherings and gatherings connected with youth sports events.
Mayor Michael PASSERO says the spread isn't happening in businesses that are impacted by phase 3, but other gatherings. He says they're ramping up testing and telling people to stay vigilant, even around their friends and family members.
They're letting their guard down, but this virus doesn't know those distinctions.
The state is asking southeastern communities in the red alert level to do the same.
We want to highlight that your behavior makes a big difference.
For now, the state is asking people who live in those cities to be vigilant, to follow health guidelines, and to limit their social interactions. Reporting in East Lyme tonight, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.